What's up and welcome back guys, Saad here from Nasdaq, and today in this video I'll be unboxing the rockerz 650 and I'll be giving the first impression of microphone output, audio quality and comfort level of the rockerz 650. So before that, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. Basically guys, this rockerz 650 is the latest model of boat which is released on July 1st I guess. This cost me around 1500 rupees, but now on Flipkart it's showing 2800 rupees I guess. So this is how the box packaging of the rockerz 650 looks like. It's like a mini suitcase. So let me just unbox this and see what's in the box. The first thing we get to see is the headset itself. Let me keep this aside and I'll talk about it in the later part of the video. So other than that, there is nothing in the box. Let me just open this wrap. As usual, they have given the worldwide 1 year of warranty and Type A to Type C USB cable, which is not so long but it's manageable. And these are the kind of boring stuff. This is the quick start guide, which is so long. Let me keep this aside. And this is the user manual. Like I just say one thing guys, if you see the full video, it's not necessary to read this user manual and quick start guide, but it is of no use for me. Let me throw this off. And apart from that, they are given the boated stickers to paste it somewhere else, like where you are comfortable with. So let me just talk about our main product, the rockerz 650. Let me just take this out first. So guys, this is how the rockerz 650 looks like. Have a look into it once. Talking about the building quality, the complete body, like whole body, is made up of high quality plastic. Since it is made up of high quality plastic, it comes with a light in weight segment. Here they are given the cozy cushion comforts, which gives you some sort of comfort while wearing and hearing to the songs. Coming to the ear cups, the cushion right over here are made up of good quality leather, which gives you some sort of comfortable feeling while wearing and hearing to the songs. Other than that, on the either side of the ear cups, they are given the boat logo, which makes it look aesthetic, which you can see. The one thing I noticed is that the color combo of this and this, this shining, makes it look awesome. The one disadvantage is that this ear cups which is made up of leather worn out after using it for 3 to 4 months, which gives you some sort of irritation while hearing to the songs. Talking about the buttons and plugs, this is called on and off button and this is called volume rockers. This even acts as a control bar. Like long press on the volume up button takes you to the next track of the music, and long press on the volume down button takes you to the previous tracks of the music. And this is called boost mode. Like this, enabling this mode gives you bass boosted audio. And this is a RGB light I guess, and this is a microphone I believe. On the either side, they are given a C-pin plug which supports fast charging. The highlighted part about this boat headset is that it comes with a 500 mAh of battery. The boat company says that 10 minutes of charge gives you 8 hours of playback time, and 60 minutes of charge gives you 60 hours of playback time, which is unbelievable. Like I just feel it once. Like talking about the body part, basically these are called ear cups, which can be rotated in such a way. These ear cups cannot be rotated up to 360 degree. These ear cups are even foldable in such a way. This feature works very well while traveling, like gives you some sort of protection while traveling. It's expandable on the both, like on the either side it is expandable, which you can see it. You can stretch it based on your head size or based on your convenience. As suspected, this is made up of plastic. It would be better if they have given metal, since it would give long lasting rigidity. Let me just stretch it out and see once. Oh, it's good. It stretches very well. This model comes with a 3 variant of colors, which is displayed on the screen. You can have a look into that once. Talking about the connectivity, it comes with a Bluetooth 5.0 version of connectivity, which gives you good connectivity range for around 10 meters. Above that, the music starts to stagger. The major disadvantage about this Bluetooth headset is that it does not have spread proof, dust proof, and it doesn't even has a water resistant property, which is a bad thing for this price range. Since it does not have water resistant property, it cannot be used while doing gym or any other physical activities. This is how it looks when I wear it. Have a look at it once. The thing which I noticed right now is that since the ear cups are so small, it does not fit to our ear properly, which gives some sort of irritation while listening to the music. While hearing the music in the boat headset, I am not able to hear the surrounding environmental voices. Talking about the audio quality, it's good, but compared to the Apple earphones, it does not match its expectations. Like the music heard by these Apple earphones are pretty sharp, clean, and there is no stuffiness. Like the voice heard is natural, but in this case, all the aspects are a bit low. The voice you heard till now is from the mobile microphone itself, but now I'm switching the like I'm connecting the phone with the mic, this Bluetooth headset to check the microphone quality. The voice which you are hearing is from the boat microphone itself. This feature is helpful while playing games like PUBG or any other stuff. So overall, if you are planning to buy this at the price range of 1500, it is worth the money. But at the price range of 3000 rupees, just don't go for it. That's all for the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Before that, please stay safe, stay healthy, and follow the government protocols. Thank you. Have a nice day. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.